Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Nanang. In this session, I will show you how to change the TCP/IP address of the server. We are using the server manager as usual, and this is the local server. And you can click for the Ethernet 0 here, IP address assigned by DHCP. We click these links. Screen will display network connection, and we click for the Ethernet 0, and this is the status of the network connection. We click the properties of this Ethernet 0, and the properties will display as you see on the screen. Just choose the Internet Protocol version 4 and click properties. Okay, this is the configuration of the IP address of the server. The server is configure IP address of automatically. We want setting IP address manually, so we choose use the following IP address. We type IP address for the server, for example 192.168.102, and we also need the subnet mask. But after we click the subnet mask will assign automatically, so we don't have to change this one. And we must fulfill the preferred DNS server, but because this server will become a DNS server, so we just type the same IP address on this server. So we don't need to type default gateway, but if we need one, this is the IP address of the router. Okay, after fulfill of the complete information of Internet Protocol version 4, just click OK button here, and then click close, and then yeah, we must waiting. Okay, click close, and then click close again. So we need to verify this configuration using command line. So we run the start menu and then type cmd, enter, and then we can type command ip config. Okay, as you see, the IP address that we have typed is already seen here. So this is bring us to end of this video. Thank you for joining me today. Give like, comment, and share this video. Also subscribe to this channel. Have a nice day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.